Last week, OnePlus confirmed the OnePlus 13, a compact phone equipped with powerful specs, will be unveiled in China in April. Since then, the president of OnePlus China, Li Ji, has started gradual revealing key details of the 13T. His latest Weibo post revealed display design and inclusion of a new hardware button which replaces the alert slider button. As per the images shared, it'll feature a completely flat OLED screen designed to appeal to users who favor compact yet high-performance smartphones. One of the major highlights will be addition of a new physical shortcut key on its left edge. He said the new shortcut key not only handles the usual silent, vibrate and ring model toggles but also supports customizable function. This will allow quick access to a variety of functions, making it highly practical addition. He maintained an intriguing and fun feature has been built into the button with more details to be revealed soon. The said device is scoring over 3 million on AnTuTu. The listing reveals it will have a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.0 512 GB storage, 120Hz screen and Android 15. It will pack around 6200 mAh battery but still weigh only 185 grams. It will have 80 watt fast wired charging but it will not have wireless charging. It will have a 6.3-inch OLED screen with 1.5K resolution and short focus optical in-screen fingerprint scanner. It will have a 50 megapixel main camera and a telephoto camera of 2x optical lens. In terms of durability, it will have a metal frame and a glass back.